Happy Friday! We made it through a whole week. Our agenda for August 21st. Make sure you're watching your Zoom meetings if you do not attend a Zoom meeting that day. This does not apply to Wednesday because no one attends a Zoom meeting. Make sure you are watching the video linked to my picture every day. Ask your parents to complete the student information survey. And make sure that by now that you have joined Google Classroom, Common Lit, and Newsela. And what I've been telling students, your iPads, for some reason, it automatically goes to the web browser Safari. You may need to change that and go to Google Chrome. And you can find Google Chrome in the self-service of LCPS. Okay? So go ahead and get those three things added to your coursework, because we're going to have some more things that we're going to add you into next week. All right, your Canvas assignment for today. You're going to read the poem I'm offering. This poem, it is on Common Lit. You're going to use 2 column notes to record one example of impactful rhymes or repetitions of sounds. Pick out 2 examples of word choice in the text and explain why the author chose those words. Determine the author's point of view about treasure. Okay? And submit a copy of that to Canvas. If you're not quite sure how I'm expecting it to look, please go back to the organization of your notebook and assignments link that's on the home page of Canvas, and it'll help you. Okay, like I told you, we made it through a week. So we're going to reflect on this week. This week we have focused on themes or central ideas with examples about treasure. Using what you have learned, write about something you treasure. You may consider what you identified early in the week, or based on the examples we have read this week, you may select another treasure. Brainstorm some spins you could take on treasures, In your writing, consider word choice and how you could develop the theme or central idea. Here's the fun part for you artsy people. If you want, you could draw a heart in the center, write treasure. Then draw a larger heart outlining the original heart. And using the notes, you may create a story or a poem to capture your treasure. Okay? So in other words, I want you to produce some kind of artwork, and in the treasure, in the center, you're gonna have treasure. And then I want you to have another piece of artwork. It can be the same shape. It can be 2 circles. Hey, it can be 2 squares. But treasure goes in the center. And in the outer object, I want you to write a poem, or I want you to create a story. If it's a story, it's going to be real short. I mean, you don't have a whole lot of space to work with. But you're gonna talk about something you treasure. Okay? One of the easiest ways to do a poem would be to write down the letters going up and down, and then beside each letter, tell something about that thing that you treasure. Okay? Have fun, decorate it, be creative, show me how artsy you guys can be. Okay? As I've been telling you all week, we've been having problems with Canvas. These assignments, I want you to get them done as quickly as you can. Hopefully you can have them done by Sunday, so that you won't have this week overlapping with next week's work. But I am going to work with you. Don't worry about points being taken off for things being late. You don't have to worry about that. Just do the best you can. We'll work together. Okay, guys. Have a great Friday, and even more so, have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.